When we see dreams, we probably are seeing the dreams of the highest consciousness. There are plans in place, and when we align and enroll with those plans, we see the vision that is a part of a larger vision. And we own it up, and also we're expected to implement and work on those ideas and dreams. Every visionary is fully prepared to align with the greater vision. And when they act as per the vision, they're fulfilling themselves as well as fulfilling the greater plan. And there's a great sense of satisfaction, fulfillment, and oneness with the Creator. And it doesn't have to be always a big industry or a big movement. At times, creating a masterpiece of art also gives you the same fulfillment. A lot of creation that we think we are doing are essentially already done somewhere in the metaphysical world. We are simply replicating that in the physical world. And that whole beautiful experience of replication is full of joy. We all are capable of doing it, and some people inherently have committed to fulfill some of the greater visions and create something beautiful on planet Earth, being in human form. Not all visions, as per the commitment, are converted into the physical reality. At times, a lot of us, after committing at soul level, choose not to do anything about it, being born as a human. At times, a lot of us, after committing at the soul level, choose to not implement in the physical reality that we are. And that's when there is a deep sense of unfulfillment, restlessness, lack of peace, because the soul knows that something is not happening as per the plan. Subconscious mind is aware, and yet logically we find no reason to go out of the comfort zone to do something different and something unusual. If you are alive, you have a plan in place, you have a purpose behind your existence. When you meditate, you get in touch with that purpose and you align with the greater vision and start working and implementing all dreams, ideas, and visions, and co-creating what needs to be co-created. And that experience is amazing and beautiful. There's so much synchronicity and all resources which are really needed. It's available to you. People support, circumstances support, and everything works out beautifully, provided you cooperate with your soul level plan. Meditate regularly. Align with your vision. Align with the greater vision. Participate in co-creation and enjoy an awesome life. Let's slowly recite to clear some of the blocks and be the visionary self. Let's meditate to clear some of the blocks and awaken the visionary implementer in you. I'm going to recite a few radical statements with specific catalyst keywords. To know more about the designing of the statements and use of the catalyst keywords, join our radical curriculum, especially the spiritual solution curriculum. Till then, let's enjoy radical recitation. Recite with me and after me. With radical consciousness, I purify my conflicts and confusions. With radical consciousness, I purify my conflicts and confusions. With radical consciousness, I purify my conflicts and confusions. With radical consciousness, I purify my need to cooperate with my soul plan. With radical consciousness, I purify my need to cooperate with my soul plan. With radical consciousness, I purify my need to cooperate with my soul plan. With radical consciousness, I purify my command over my life. With radical consciousness, I purify my soul-level command over my life. With radical consciousness, I purify my soul-level command over my life. With radical consciousness, I purify my resistance to implement my dreams, ideas, and visions. With radical consciousness, I purify my resistance to implement my dreams, ideas, and visions. With radical consciousness, I purify my resistance to implement my dreams, ideas, and visions. With radical consciousness, I awaken the visionary in me. With radical consciousness, I awaken the visionary in me. With radical consciousness, I awaken the visionary in me. With radical consciousness, I awaken the co-creator in me. With radical consciousness, I awaken the co-creator in me. With radical consciousness, I awaken the co-creator in me. With radical consciousness, I awaken the aligned implementer in me. With radical consciousness, I awaken the aligned implementer in me. With radical consciousness, I awaken the aligned implementer in me. With radical consciousness, I awaken the aligned implementer in me. With radical consciousness, I synchronize with the greater vision. With radical consciousness, I synchronize with the greater vision. With radical consciousness, I synchronize with the greater vision. With radical consciousness, I synchronize with the co-creation. With radical consciousness, I synchronize with the co-creation. With radical consciousness, I synchronize with the co-creation. With radical consciousness, I synchronize with my life plan and life purpose. With radical consciousness, I synchronize with my life plan and life purpose. With radical consciousness, I synchronize with my life plan and life purpose. With radical consciousness, I synchronize with my soul level commitment. With radical consciousness, I synchronize with my soul level commitment. With radical consciousness, I synchronize with my soul level commitment. Keep reciting. Stay tuned and enjoy an awesome life with awesome vibes as you participate in the co-creation of the universal dreams, ideas, and visions.